We have 81 minus 2 equals to 9, 64 minus 3 equals to 4, 81 minus 4 equals to 3, and we have to find 32 minus 5 equals to what? Let's go and try to find the value of 32 minus 5. So if you notice carefully, you may think that we have 81 minus 2 equals to 9, so 9 square is 81. But 4 square is not 64. 3 square is not just 81. So how we can continue our thinking? If we start from the left side, we have 81 minus 2 equals to 9. So we have square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 81 is equals to 9. Now if we write that 64, we have to put something there. We cannot put 2, then it will be 8. So we have to put something there. The answer we will get 4. Similarly, 81, we have to put something there. So the answer becomes 3. Now you can simply say that square root of 64 is 8, but the cubic root of 64 is 4. Now in the next, we have 81. If we try to find the value of 4th root of 81, we simply get that 81 is 9 times 9, and similarly 9 is just 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So just 4th root of 81 is just 3. So now if you see carefully, we have 9, we have 4, we have 3. How we can get this? We just find the square root for case number 1, cube root for case number 2, 4th root for case number 3. So we will find the 5th root for case number 4, which is 5th root of 32. So 32 is just 16 times 2 times 1, and 16 is just 8 times 2 times 2. Now again, it is just 4 times 2, we have 2 times 2. So now in the next line, 4 is just 2 times 2, we have 2 times 2 times 2. Now you can see carefully that 5th root of 32 is just 2. So the answer for 32 minus 5 is simply 2.